What is up, everyone? It's the Wizzerdrix, the daily random pack opening channel. Another day, another pack. Let's spin that wheel and get to cracking. Ixalan. Ixalan, released September 29th, 2017. It's the first set to properly introduce the dinosaur subtype of creatures. Notable cards of this set are Growing Rights of Iklamot, Gishath Sun's Avatar, Vanquisher's Banner, Carnage Tyrant, and Primal Amulet. Other than that, it's a fairly lackluster set, though Rivals of Ixalan was so much better, had a lot more variety of cards. Well, let's get to cracking. Some kind of vehicle outside was kind of vibrating a lot. I'm not sure if you can hear that on the cam. On the mic. It's got a pretty good mic, so I doubt that you hear anything. First off, we have Fathom Fleet Firebrand, Commune with Dinosaurs, Storm Sculptor, Jungle Delver, Raptor Companion, Pounce, Ancient Brontodon, Prying Blade, Headstrong Brute. For our uncommons, we have Elaborate Fire Cannon, Chart of Course, a really good card. I really think this card is pretty powerful in the right deck. One colorless, one blue sorcery, draw 2 cards, then discard a card unless you attack with a creature this turn. So it's really good in aggro decks. Even if you're not doing that, like some decks just fill off the graveyard, just draw the 2 cards, discard a card. It's really good. Atsukan Archer. And for our rare. Oh, foil common? Okay. That's weird. For our rare. Treasure Map. Is a 2-drop artifact. Pay 1, tap it, scry 1. Put a landmark counter on Treasure Map. Then if there are 3 or more landmark counters on it, remove those counters, transform Treasure Map, and create 3 treasure tokens. And you can stack the treasure tokens for any mana. And when it transforms into Treasure Cove. So land, taps for colorless, or tap, sacrifice a treasure, draw a card. So the treasure just made, use them for the mana if you want them, or just tap it, sacrifice this to draw a card. It's not bad. I mean, it's fairly good for one of the flip lands in the set. I thought it was kind of rare, kind of weird how the foil was before the rare. I thought it was usually after that. Hey, and the treasure token to go with it. And just like last time, put that in commons. There. This is a new section I've been working on. So I think it's kind of interesting for the video, for these kind of videos at least. Like, if this were a draft and this is the first pack you opened, what would your pack one pick one be? Let's see if I can get that to focus a little bit. That'd be kind of torn between Chart of Course and Treasure Map. Treasure map is solid and limited. Really solid. But yeah, treasure map would be my pack one, pick one for sure. Anyways, it's been the Wizzerdrix. Anyways, it's been the Wizzerdrix. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, give me a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Ring the little bell thing if you want. If you need feedback or suggestions on what else I could do. So I've been thinking about talking about spoilers and all that. There's a lot of cool spoilers coming on right now for Kaldheim. But anyways, I really do want to hear some feedback so I can improve the channel. Until then, thanks for watching.